Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily make a animal barn in Minecraft. So first of all, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need to make a structure like this. So all of these blocks are spaced 5 blocks, okay? Like there are 5 blocks here, here, and then on the middle one there are 5 blocks, and in the center third block we also place a log. So yeah, you first gotta make a structure like this. Then what you're gonna do is accept these extreme end logs. What you're gonna do with the rest of the logs is you're gonna make them high about 5 blocks, like this: one, two, three, 4, and 5. You're gonna do it for all of them. So let me just do it really quick. As you can see, I have already now done this part. So next what you're gonna do is you're just gonna remove all of this colored blocks inside and replace them with grass blocks. So I'm just gonna quickly do that too. Okay, I have also, removed them and replaced them with grass blocks. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna connect all of these tops with, just the blocks like this. And let me just quickly do this too. Okay, I have quickly connected all of them, and now what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna make one side the opening side. So for that, let's just select this one. And next, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna build a fence all around this. So you're gonna just do it just like I am doing it. Okay, next, what you're also gonna do is basically you're gonna add barrels on these ends. One thing I forgot to mention is you're just gonna make pillars like this one on these sides too, on these corners. So let me just make it quickly for you guys. So I'm just gonna break it. And next what I'm gonna do is place an oak clock here, here, and here, and here, just like that. And similarly on the other end, I'm gonna break this oak clock, oak clock, oak clock, oak clock, and like this. Okay, so now for the thing that I was telling you about the barrel, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna break the bottom one and add your barrels like this. And next what you're gonna do is you're basically gonna add the separations between all of these. So for that, I'm gonna do it like this. And let me just make a path. And you're also gonna add your gates. Yeah, and last gate right here. Yeah, just like that. So basically, some of our bottom structure has been completed, and now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna move to the roof now. Okay, guys, so for the roof, first of all, what we're gonna do is make a boundary on this side and on this side of oak planks, regular oak planks. So let me just show you how it looks like afterwards. This is how it looks like afterwards. So next what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna make a arch over here. So let me just increase the brightness. Yeah, so we're just gonna create an arch over here. So for that, what I'm gonna do is just place one here and one here. So I'm gonna place 2 planks and then I'm gonna make the arch. One stair here, similarly one here, and next from here, from here. And now we're just gonna place a slab in between. So as you can see, an arch has been created. So we're just gonna replicate the same structure on the other side. And let me just show you how it looks like upon replicating on the other side. So this is how it all looks like. So what we're gonna do further is we're basically gonna make some filling over here on this side and here, and similarly on this side, we're here, and on this side. While in the rest, we're just gonna keep the color same to this one. So for the one with this side, and the intervals, we're gonna use birch plank. So let me just show you how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So similarly, we're gonna replicate on this side in the middle, and for the other side, which are these sides, we're gonna just build it same way like we built these arches. Okay, so let me just do it quickly and show you how it looks like. And that's pretty much it, guys. So it's how the roofs look like, and let's go inside and let me show you from the inside. Yeah, this is how the barn looks from the inside for its roof. Okay, a side note is that we can also make it better by adding just regular stairs, or we can just add some dark stairs on the side. Let's pick some dark sides. Okay, it looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna select this and add a barn just like this. We're gonna do it all around it. And let me just fix that up. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side too. Okay, so I did the same thing on this side. So next what we're gonna do is make something of this side. We're just gonna make it a bit better. So for that, let me just grab a barrel. Okay, I already had a barrel. So what we're gonna do with the barrel is I'm just gonna put it like here on both sides. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the log and I'm gonna put it like this on both sides. And then I'm gonna use the birch slab and just put it around here. And on top of this, I'm gonna take the dark slabs and I'm gonna put them like this. And here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this and I'm gonna grab a fence. I'm gonna insert the fence right over here, just like that. Similarly, I'm gonna add the fence over here and here. Now on the bottom side, what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna add birch chairs, so it would just go like this all around this. So it seems as if it's a sport for the upper side. Similarly on this side, yep. So this is pretty much how it starts to look like. And I'm gonna just repeat this whole process on the other side too. Okay, now coming to the side, what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna come here, get our stairs, and we're just gonna place them like this all around this side here too. Similarly on this side like this. And next what we're gonna do is we're gonna place them like this, and we're just gonna put some fencing like this. This is how it looks. It looks good. So I'm just gonna repeat this process on the other side too. Okay, now for the inside, we're just gonna do some decorative stuff inside. So to do that first, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna just make space, and you can, just destroy this now like this. And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take a log and you're gonna pass it all the way through here. So let me show you how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna start from this side and I'm gonna keep on going till I reach the other side. Next, what you're gonna do is basically you're gonna come down and get your bridge stairs and start putting them up just this way. Similarly here and similarly right here. And you're gonna do it for all of these sides, like here, and here, and here. Similarly here. We're gonna also do it for these places over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna just reseal this side. But before that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add lanterns, and I'm gonna then seal these like this. Yes, just like that. So this is how it has come to look like. This is our entrance, so we're just gonna close it for a second. And we're just gonna add some detailing all around it. So see, for that I'm gonna add a log here, a lamp on top of it, and some slabs just like this. And similarly, I'm gonna do it all the way on the back side, just like that. And here too. And I'm gonna add another log right here, a lamp, just like that. Further, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some lamps around these chairs in the front. So just like that. Similarly, on the other side, I'm also gonna add them. One here, one here, one here, another one here. So yeah, so this is pretty much our barn looking at the moment. So what more we can do is just add a little bit of detailing on the side. So let's just get some hay. Okay, let's just add the hay for a while. So I'm gonna add it on this side. Yeah, just like that. It looks okay-ish. So let's see how it looks at night. Our barn looks quite nice at night. So this is pretty much the guide to make a barn in Minecraft. Last thing before leaving is that obviously you guys can, just fill it with your favorite animals. So here I have added some sheeps. Here I have added some cows. And on the last side, I have added some horses. So yeah, you can just use it any way you guys like. So yeah, that's it. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.